Isa sa mga itinuturong dahilan sa pagsasara ng maraming retail stores sa Canada ang online shopping o e-commerce, bagay na mas lumakas nung kasagsagan ng pandemya. Pero para sa mga negosyanteng Pilipino sa bansa, gaano nga ba kasikat ang pagbebenta online ngayon? At ano kaya ang implikasyon sa mga negosyo sakaling mahina ang kanilang online presence?
Nowadays, many people is shopping, online, right? So their stuff is not really great in the mall.
Everybody, on the line. They never go in the store to buy.
Itong reaksyon ng ilang customer sa labas ng Hudson's Bay sa British Columbia nang marinig nila ang balitang pag-liquidate ng kumpanya sa mga tindahan nila, maliban sa 6 na lokasyon sa Quebec at Ontario.
I absolutely believe that, online shopping has shifted the way shopping is overall. And we have COVID to thank for that. We also have, the internet to thank for that.
Ang mag-asawang Camila at Mac-Francis Katigbak ang may-ari ng Katigbak Technologies, isang kumpanya sa Calgary na nag-specialize sa online marketing. Ngayon 2025, importante raw malakas ang online presence ng isang kumpanya kahit may pisikal na tindahan ang negosyo.
Kind of similar to Blockbuster, they didn't adapt to the online streaming service opportunities. We're seeing that the same is happening to retail stores as well.
Maraming Canadians daw kasi anuman ang edad ang pinipiling mamili online. Maaari raw magresulta sa kakulangan ng mga customer kapag mahina ang online presence ng isang kumpanya o di kaya'y wala silang social media presence.
If you're not tapping into those market, then you're gonna miss that opportunity. So that's the biggest disadvantage, is that those potential customers that you have essentially could be those people that you can serve. But if you're not online, then you're gonna miss that opportunity.
Pero hindi lang daw ang pagbabayad sa influencer marketing sa social media o pagtatayo ng e-commerce websites ang online marketing trends na nakikita ng mag-asawa. Kasama na raw sa marketing plans ng marami ang artificial intelligence.
That they're really adopting to AI and using FAQs to essentially have, answer the questions for them instead of the regular sales rep or instead of regular receptionist.
Kahit na karamihan sa mga kliyente ng Katigbak Technologies, mga Pilipino, di raw lahat bukas sa marketing sa social media.
For the older generation, we noticed that there's a little bit of a pullback or a step back. Then that's where we really have to kind of let them know that essentially, AI or going e-commerce is the way to go. Because if you don't, then things like, like the Bay or Blockbuster, kind of like what Camille said, it fails, right? Because they fail to adapt to the new environment.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.